Hello and welcome to the park and to the blacksmith shop. This building is a reproduction of a typical 19th century blacksmith shop, about 1870s in time period. Jesse Hoover was Herbert's father. Jesse owned and operated his blacksmith shop about 80 feet to the east from where I'm standing. Jesse worked there from 1871 to 1878. We don't know a lot about his shop because there are no detailed photographs, drawings, or paintings of the structure. We do know that it was about the same size as this structure, and then it faced towards the east. Jesse worked there as a blacksmith, farrier, so a blacksmith who shoes horses, mules, and oxen, and a farm implement dealer from 1871 to 1878. In 1878, he sold the shop and opened a farm implement store on Main Street, which is located about where our grocery store is today. Fortunately, he worked there only about 2 years, passing away in December of 1880 at age 34. This building was constructed in 1957 utilizing materials that were salvaged from a barn that was originally built about 2 miles north of town in 1874. The structure you see today, 56-year-old with 140-year-old parts. This is a working shop. We manufacture items for sale, do repairs for the park, and special projects. Most of all, hopefully we can give you a window of Herbert's life, what things were like when the president was here as a boy back in the 1870s.